Hey guys, so this is the Nissan Sentra that we're gonna be working on from now on. This is the one that I'm gonna be making this series on, and it should be looking like yours. It should be one that's a B17. It range from anywhere from 2013 to 2017. As you can see, it's not that old. Um, But anyways, if you're gonna have to do maintenance on this vehicle, um, you're gonna need to know how to do it. And I'm gonna try to teach you how. I have the book so we can work both on it. I'll give you specs on how to have all the torque specifications, how to do it step by step, so that you don't have to take it to a mechanic and you don't have to, spend a lot of money. You can do it yourself. So please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna start doing a video. I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna put up the book on how we're gonna be doing this stuff. Okay. All right. It's just gonna be a preview, guys. Okay, guys. This is the book that I was talking about that we're gonna be working out of. This book is a Nissan Sentra 20 a B17 series. Again, from 2013 to 2017. This is what we're going to be using to do things right on your car. I know that there's not a lot of videos on how to work on these vehicles, but I have the book and I'll make those videos for you. I have to work on my car, and maybe you might be having the same problem, or if you just bought a new one, or an old one, and you're trying to work on it. Maybe you bought it from an auction and you're trying to fix it. Well, I'm gonna show you here how to do that. Right now, the problem that I have is with my fuel efficiency, and it's spending a lot of gas. You could have looked at other videos and it said to change the fuel filter, maybe the spark plugs. Well, we're gonna start with the fuel filter because they get pretty dirty. But we're gonna start here where it says engine, and then we're gonna go to fuel system, and we're gonna check where that fuel filter is. So here we check, and well, we don't see nothing. We don't see anything really. It tells you how to work on it. There's your gas tank, and well, look at that right there. It says fuel sensor, fuel filter, and fuel pump assembly. Is that so? On your 2013 to 2017 Nissan Sentra, your fuel filter is gonna be your fuel pump, and you need to change that if you're having problems with filtration or anything else that matters. So all we have left that we can work on, that it won't be so expensive, is gonna be the spark plugs. So this I'm not gonna change unless you guys want me to. I can show you how to change it. I have the steps here and I can show you how to change it. So please let me know in the comments below. Thank you.